Welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a design review for 1500 square feet plot area. Elevation is designed on the classical style with the fusion of large open windows and heavily carved elements. The house was conceptualized around keeping the family interactive all day long. The dichotomy between the built and unbuilt play of light, spaces, and materials provided the quality of spaces. The minimalistic approach makes the whole depth read as a single space, integrating the way the family lives. Entrance has a car porch with a passage of green running linearly. Two entries are provided in the residence. One leads to the formal living and other to the servants' dormitory. Servants' dormitory views the green area and has the toilet attached to it. Formal living area has wide open windows to bring in the maximum light and also holds the staircase. First floor caters a central living area which goes pleasantly with the paved stones, plants and the water body. Despite the small footprint of house, the openness creates sense of freedom and amplitude. kitchen and dining sits linearly and overview the green spaces. The space gets the view of the front road through the projected out balcony. The residence is developed with a blend of interesting vegetation around it. Master bedroom is placed at the back with its own semi-covered green setout. Second floor has a TV lounge, a bedroom and a kids room. Interior of the house merges with the small landscapes. Woodwork predominates the interior, whereas the stonework around the landscape blends with the elegantly painted walls. Materials are warm and honest that blends perfectly with the furnishings. The house is an attempt to create a level of privacy within the urban environment where the user could interact with each other and nature as playfully as possible. Terrace invites you to have a relaxing and calm time being with surrounded vegetation. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.